Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a reminder clip for the beginner class at the Kenn Centre on July the 26th, 2022. We did a first move, a man spin, a catapult and a Wurlitzer. If you need any more detailed information on those, there are teaching videos for them already, links in the description below. This is just a reminder of how everything went together. So we start left to right, ready for the first move. Went 7 and 8, went back, in, twist, twist, turn, face, return for the man spin. We went through, caught right for the catapult, sweep, lean to the side, spin, caught in the left, return to two hands for the Wurlitzer. We went flat, prepare, a return spin and back, and that was it. Hope you find that useful. We'll be back next time with another modern jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. In the last few seconds of the video there will be a little window that comes up with a recommendation of a nice piece of music to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.